Good day everyone, my name is Darji Taho, and for today's video we're gonna tackle about simple interest, annuity, and simple perpetuities.
So here is the example of simple interest problem. Mark borrowed 200,000 from a lending company where he needs to pay an interest rate of 3% annually. Find the simple interest in 3 years. So first of all, hanapin muna natin yung mga given at yung hinahanap dito. So ang hinahanap dito ay yung I, or simple interest sa loob ng 3 taon. So paano mo nga ba para makuha yung I? So ang formula ng I equals PRT. So para makuha natin yung I, kailangan muna natin lista yung mga given. Like P, or principal amount, equals 200,000 at R, yung rate, 3%. So para ma-multiply natin yun, kailangan natin i-convert ito into decimal places. So 3% divided by 100 equals 0.03. And lastly, yung time period. Time period dito ay 3 years, so 3. So dito na tayo sa formula. I equals P equals 200,000. Tsaka yung R, 3%, or convert sa decimal, is 0.03 times the time, 3 years. So, if magamit tayo ng calculator, mga labas na answer dito ay I equals 18,000. At ito na yung simple interest sa loob ng 3 taon. Here's the example of our topic for the midterm. How much we paid for 148 months to settle an obligation of 13,800 if money is worth 3% converted monthly. So first of all, we're gonna find the given and the values at hanapin din natin yung kung ano yung hinahanap dito. So una, we're gonna A equals 13,800, R rate 3%, month equals 12, time equals 148 months, or convert natin yan sa years. 148 divided by 12 equals 4 years. I equals R-M equals 3 over 12, or equals to 1/4%. N equals T times M equals 4 times 12 equals 48. So, ang hanapin natin dito ay yung annuity. So, ang formula ng annuity ay RE equals A dash A N minus 1 angle I. So, RA equals, yung A equals 13,800 over A, then N equals 48, then minus 1, angle I. Yung I is 1/4%. RA equals 13,800 over angle at 1/4%. We're gonna find this in the table of values. So, in table of values, A equals 45.178,645. So, our final answer is RA equals 305.45 pesos. Here's our final answer. So, here's a example of our final topic for the mathematics of investment, simple perpetuity. What is the capitalized cost of 500 pesos payable at the end of each 6 months if the interest rate is 3.5% compounded semi-annually? So first of all, we're gonna find the given. So the given is R equals 500 pesos, M equals compounded semi-annually, so 2. Then yung rate is 3.5%. I equals 3.5 times 2 equals 1 3/4, or convert natin yan sa decimal na 0.0175. So, yung hinahanap dito ay perpetuity. So, the formula is A perpetuity equals R divide I. E perpetuity equals yung R is 500 divide yung I na 0.0175. So, yung perpetuity or your final answer is equals to 28,571.43. Pre.